Hello everyone, it's Friday and welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. We've got two Temu packages for you, well, two diamond paint-ins for you here today. And let's get into the first one, which is so adorable and I can't wait to get into this. Can you see what it is? It is one of my favourites. And looking at that, the detail looks amazing so far, but can you guess what it is? I am crazy over pandas. I absolutely wow. Okay, that is absolutely adorable. Wow, that is really it's got like a cheeky face, doesn't he? But yeah, I love pandas very dearly. And this is a W624. What I love about pandas so much is the fact that they just sit in the jungle, they just constantly eat bamboo. You know, they're actually sort of like eating all the forest for you, so it sort of keeps the forest clean and tidy. 14 colours, and I just love this. It was a recommendation. And I just love the way he was like sitting in a puddle of water. I don't know if he's actually in the beach or something, but up there it doesn't look like, it just seems like he's sitting in a puddle of water. So I really like this. Let's check the stick. Oh, that's a strong stick, considering that was like £1. Most of these tend to be really cheap. I picked up some before for 72p, but I am in love with this. This is absolutely gorgeous. And even the way they've detailed sort of like the tongue and the eyes, and it's just a beautiful one, and that will go very nice with the one that Liz Harrison sent me on that mystery parcel. I hope she does another one of them, because I really would love to buy one of them. We've also got ourselves our standard tray and wax, and then let's get into our drills here. So W1, which is interesting. So this is our pack of drills. As you can see, we have got ourselves, turn it that way, we've got a purple, a black, actually that looks like a blacky green, no black, yeah, a couple of greys there, a light grey and a dark grey. We've got a brown, and we've got a light brown and sort of sandy brown, and then we've got a teal, a light blue and a dark blue and light blue, and a sort of minty white there, and very gorgeous colour. What is that? 13's coming up as a 3768. That is lovely. Don't think I've ever worked with that colour before. Wow. And then we've got a brown. So really lovely indeed. So let's put that over to one side, and then we will get our next painting. So can't wait to get this. This is our next one, and it was really nice one, so I thought I'd grab it. And in here we have oh my god, okay, wow, okay, that does not look like what I ordered. Okay, well, I'll show you it and then I'll show on Temu, but okay, that's disappointing. Okay, right, oh my good god, look at that. Looks like someone's just had, like, let the sewer go and let all the fucking poo go round the... This just looks like there's been a massive, like, sewer leak and there's been, like, all poo go round the beach. But I'm not being funny, that does not look like that. That is what it's supposed to look like. Why in the hell has she got a brown dress? Down here is supposed to be blue, look. I mean, obviously that would be the beach, but why? And that's supposed to be like a white dress? Well, that certainly don't look white to me. That looks more brown. Obviously it's a bit of a shadow effect, but even down to this part, that would be about there, and that's supposed to be blue. Okay, I'm not liking this. I mean, the face hasn't even got any detail in it. So, is this painting struggled or something? But, oh man, I'm not liking this. I really am not liking this, because again, if we look at the mountains here, or the cliffs, they're supposed to be like a grey sort of colour, and they're actually more brown. I mean, the water, again, where's all this deep blue water? This is horrible. I do not like this. Okay, yeah, I'm disappointed, but I don't know. We'll have to see how it comes out, maybe. But this is 15 colours. Again, the stick, I think they've got the colours wrong here somehow, because as I say, there's no detail in the face. You can't really see the eyes or the mouth on the nose or the ears on there, but then again her hair's sort of covering that, but still there's no detail. And why is it so much brown on her dress? Let's just take a look at the tray. That's our tray, but these are our jewel colours. So there is blue in there, but it's one of them ones, do I do it? Do I send it back? I feel like I need to do it and see how it comes out, because remember sometimes they provide you drills and the print looks different, but the drill is actually the right colour. So it could be that the drill is the right colour, but they've struggled with the ink field. But let's take a look at the colours here. We have got ourselves a grey, well, sort of grey blue there, and a sort of browny chocolatey colour, a teal. See, you've got the blues in here, dark blue, another blue, sort of grey blue again, some sort of sandy, greeny sort of colours, light blues, another sort of minty blue, a grey. God, that is absolutely gorgeous. 133808. Oh, that's beautiful. That's like a teal colour, brown, and then a brown. So I reckon what this is that they've struggled with the ink on the dress, okay? And what they've done is they've provided the correct drills, which would be all these sort of like blue ones, but the ink field has gone a bit pear-shaped. So what we'll do, because if you look, there seems to be more blue than there is brown, and the brown one are sort of like a couple at the end. There doesn't seem to be any much of the brown. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to still do this and see how it turns out, because as I say, I think they've struggled a bit with the ink field. But yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed with that, considering it is supposed to look like this. So I don't know, we'll have to wait and see what it does, because I went for that because I really like the sort of like blue water, and it reminded me of the film The Water Horse, where they see like the Loch Ness monster and stuff, and that's what it sort of reminded me of. But anyway, we'll see how it turns out. But let us know what your favourite is, the lady in the dress or the panda here. And yeah, they're my latest two. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and always tap that notification bell so that you can be alerted as and when a video pops up on the channel. And we'll see you next time. Bye.